In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Kit from redirecting form completion. If you're using Kit forms and you've noticed that, after someone hits submit, they're immediately sent to another page, that behavior is controlled by the form's success action. Right now, your form is probably set to redirect to a URL. What we're going to do is change that so users see a success message on the same page instead. This is helpful if you want people to stay on your landing page, keep reading your content, or avoid confusing jumps to other parts of your site. First, open the form you want to change. In your Kit dashboard, head into the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. From there, locate the form that is currently redirecting. Click to open it so you're in the Form Editor view, where you can see the layout and the top toolbar. Next, look for the Settings option in the top toolbar. It's represented by a small gear icon. Click that gear to open the settings panel for this specific form. This is where all of the form's behavior is controlled, including what happens right after someone submits. In the settings panel, make sure you're on the General tab. This tab usually appears in the sidebar on the left, and it's where you'll find options related to the form's basic configuration. If you're not already there, simply click General to bring it into view. Within the General tab, look for the section that controls what happens on successful submission. You'll see options that let you choose between redirecting to a URL and showing a success message. Right now, your form is likely set to redirect. Change this by selecting the option that says Show a Success Message. This tells Kit to keep users on the same page and display a confirmation instead of sending them elsewhere. Once you've selected that option, customize the success message text in the box below. This is what users will see immediately after submitting the form. You might write something like, "Thanks for signing up. Please check your inbox." Use clear, friendly language so people know their submission worked and what to do next, if anything. When you're happy with the message, click Save to capture your changes, and then click Publish to push those changes live. Saving alone updates the draft, but publishing ensures your live form actually stops redirecting and shows the new success message instead.